Welcome to LP Outdoors. Today we're going to build a 4x4 meters aluminum motorized pergola with 2.7 meters side height. And this time the accessory will include water gutters, LED light strip, and roller blinds. Here are the main pergola kits. And this is the louver blades with LED light strip. And these are the normal louver blades. These are the roof bin. And this time the roof bin is integrated with water gutter and the LED light strip. These are the leg bins. And this is the drawbar. A motor box, remote, and traction motor, foot plates, and other small accessory kits. Place the leg bins and the roof bin on the floor and form a basic frame. And then we fix this L-shaped kit on the each bin. Now we fix the leg bins with the foot plate. The foot plate we have 2 screw holes, so that's the leg bins. And then we match the hole, fix them. As the L-shaped kit was nailed to form a track, we insert other bins directly to the track and fix it with screws. Please be careful with the wires. Now the basic frame is complete, and we will install the louver blades. As you can see, there are many wires. Different wires connect different accessories. We have made marks on the wires to help the customer distinguish. Now we install the aluminum louver blades. Insert the louver with LED light strip in the hole with a wire, and then connect the wire. Insert the rest directly, making sure the side with the traction hose is facing up. The rotating shaft of the louver blades can stretch. We need to use this buckle kit to lock the position and prevent stretching. The traction hose on the louver blades are facing up, and we need to fix all the traction hole with a drawbar. This L-shaped cover kit is covered the leg bin and the big hole through the wire. We fix the traction motor on the roof bin to connect the drawbar, and then connect the motor's wires. After being powered on, the motor can control the rotation of the blades. We install the roller blinds. This is the roller blinds body. And these are the guide rail. We insert the roller blinds directly into the 2 track rails. Erect the track next to the legs. And there are 4 screw holes on the track. Then we fix them with screws. And embed this black track strip into the track. Finally, close the other side of the track. The finished product like this.
This is the water box. Let me show you the power system.
input is AC 220 volts, and outputs are all 24 volts. And after the connection of the wires, you can see the circuit board. Input is DC 24 volts and output is also DC 24 volts. So the power system is absolutely safety. Now let me tell you how to use this remote to control the lever blades and roller blinds. You can see the remote has lots of option number. And the number depends on the quantity of your roller blinds. And the option 1 always control the blades. Let me show you. Now it's 1. The lights are colorful. The roof lever lights are 3 color options: 3000K warm white, 4000K sun white, and 6000K cool white. I have 2 methods to control the LED lights. One is the remote, another one is the phone. You can download the app and connect with Bluetooth. Okay, let's open the LED lights with the remote. And it has many functions. You can play music. The beam lights can enhance atmosphere. It is powerful and can following the musical radio and rhythm. This pergola introduction video ends here. Thanks for watching. If you want a tailor-made